This is a 2011 Ford Ranger. This truck has a 5-speed manual transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, full power accessories, a trailer hitch receiver, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front fog lights, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Woltz & Wind Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2100 Washington Pike in Heidelberg.